Nothing here on right, and you got everything. So
all the kids.
You ready to go? I'll go first and first thing out of the way.
Well, you don't even do it.
Oh!
I let the
Autos.
the man do first.
Murray, Iverson.
I got that one.
Oh, Deshaun Stevenson.
Well, that's a hit.
There
That's
you go.
nice rookie.
Yeah, no, it's good looking. Jeff Green.
It's upper deck. Cars is nice, but what number cars in there? I reckon.
Top signature.
not 6,000.
No,
I've got
6,000.
one of the two autos out of the box, baby.
Oh, there's only two in the box.
There's only two in the box.
Oh, it's Commons that busted.
Oh, okay. Jared Doodley.
Yeah, that's what you.
Oh, that's the two hits.
That's a Jordan. Oh,
That's a nice card, actually.
So that's the
Is that 2 and 2? Is that it? That's all we get. You're joking,
Sell the rest of the packs off.
It's on average though, isn't it?
Yeah.
okay.
Actually, didn't you guys beat the average last time?
Did we? He did.
You got 2.
Start open.
Is there anything worth seeing? Cars look nice.
They're nice cards.
Yeah.
Richardson, Odom, Peace, Smith. Who's this? Yes,
Lamarcus.
Green, Durant. Oh, Durant.
This is rookie card, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you got,
Got that.
Nice.
I'm going to use it.
Oh, where is it?
the Pierce.
You got
LeBron.
Yep. Okay, there you go. That's
Wade.
Yep.
Hughes. Duncan.
No, it's
Right.
sell them for like 10 cents each. Or something.
Hughes, Strawberry. Or someone.
Sermon.
So these are these all rookie cards? They're all rookie cards.
Yeah.
3. Oh, you got 3.
Oh, you got Wade though. I mean, oh, the other one. Yeah. Brett Roy.
Roy. Venus. Prince. Randolph.
Do you collect all these players?
Yeah, like no, not Princeman.
It's this scrub for you.
Law. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Take it off. I'm pretty sure I saw Yao. Well, that's the kid took it.
No, you didn't buy
Something
that
here.
one. No.
It's got something here. Bosh. Gordon.
Butler.
You put a new one.
Oh, shiny.
Marco Bellini.
That's a nice insert.
The Shaq one? It's where the Shaq.
Jeff Green.
Dudley.
Dudley. Murray.
And Shaka Sam.
It's Durant.
You want Durant rookie?
Yeah.
Auto. Yep.
Smith.
Like it.
Good.
Oh, here we go.
Stucky. I want Stucky.
Yeah.
Definitely want Stucky.
Asian players. What Asian players? Yeah, I thought because everybody's got some. Is that from? Because I want to just check it out. If I want some really
CP. Yeah.
really expensive.
So hell right.
Something nice.
Oh, Jason.
I want to have some cheap players.
Thornton. Greg Oden.
Yes.
Yeah,
Michael Bellini. Greg Oden.
Yep. Happy?
Yeah. Very happy.
Oh yeah.
Acosta Kifis.
Is he still playing? Got like patches and orders and everything.
Oh, he's got something here. Oh.
Oh,
Dominic.
Oh!
that's nice. Nice portrait.
Is it an auto?
No,
1 in 12 packs.
nice portrait.
What is it?
I just Wilkins portrait. Looked like an auto
See, they
for a
make big
sec.
cards. Cool, eh?
Stucky and... Okay.
I have to just, upper deck.
Yeah,
Not a big
we can send this video to Upper Deck.
Send this video. No, it's actually not bad.
Who's that guy in the background? Aaron
Last
Gray.
pack.
Last.
It's got to be the auto.
What do you mean?
We've got 2 already.
It's got to be.
The first pack's got autos.
That was freaky, eh? First 2 packs back.
Oh, there's some more.
Jason Kidd.
Daryl.
Williams.
Hey, wait, who's that?
Lowry. Durant.
Nice,
I want
nice.
that. Baby Davis.
He's been pretty good as well.
Oh, I got something. I've got something in here.
Let's get up to it. Shaq.
Future. What?
Oh, that's nice.
Shiny.
Corey
Corey
Brewer.
Brewer.
That's old school looking as well.
Yeah.
96, 97 or something.
Corey Burrow rookie after that.
This one's got the auto.
Yeah,
So you know there's an auto
Oh, you've
there.
got want this.
How do you know that?
Yeah, I did. I have it on the
Sweet.
Oh, you've got it on one side.
Yeah, but you?
Oh, Ray and
No, I've got too many cards I
keep
want.
this one.
Tell you pass.
Some I don't
Yep.
want at the moment because
How many you
Joe
got at the
Wallace.
moment?
Iverson overall got like
That was
800 or
average.
So you go for the
Yeah,
lot.
what an
Everything.
average box.
Alright.
You picked it.
autos.